my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very easy peasy cheesy garlic bread, and it's a little spicy as well. So let's get started. The ingredients to make this cheesy garlic bread are some melted butter. This is about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I have some minced garlic over here. That's about 1 tablespoon. This is 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I have quarter chopped onion, some cilantro chopped. You can also use parsley if you wish to. I'm just using cilantro. And this is some mozzarella cheese. And for the bread, you can use any bread. I'm just using the hot dogs bread that's easily available to make this garlic bread. So I have this melted butter over here, and I'm adding the minced garlic to this and the oregano. And I'm just going to mix this together. And this is a super easy and delicious recipe that you can make instantly at home with the basic ingredients. Now I have this melted butter mixed with minced garlic and oregano, and I'm going to keep this aside. And the next thing is the mozzarella cheese. So this is a mozzarella cheese, and just to give it a little bit of a twist, I'm just adding some onions, some cilantro. Parsley tastes equally good, but I'm just using cilantro because it's available easily at home. And I'm adding the chili flakes as well. Okay, and I'm going to mix all this together. Add some more onions. So our mozzarella cheese mixed with onions, cilantro and chili flakes is ready. And now I'm just going to take this tray, aluminum tray, and I'm going to place the bread over here. And after placing the bread on this, I'm just going to take this melted butter with all the mixed ingredients and just rub it with a brush. So I'm just putting the melted butter on this, on all the pieces. Okay, now after adding the melted butter and everything, now I'm going to add this cheese. You can add as much or as little as you need. So now I'm going to place this garlic bread into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and then check. So I'm going to just place it in this mini oven. So let's check on our garlic bread. It's been 10 to 12 minutes now, and looks like it's ready. It's ready right now, and I'm going to serve it. So this is a garlic bread, and I'm just going to cut it in the center like this. And you can see it's so easy to make at home, and it's so delicious as well. And now I'm just going to serve it. Our cheesy garlic bread is now ready, and you saw it's really easy to make at home. And if you liked my recipe, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.